ClickChat is a 100% browser-based web application, which means that it will work on both desktop and mobile devices with no problem whatsoever. Once you sign into ClickChat, you'll be greeted with a message that gives you the option to allow incoming and outgoing calls. And what this means is that we've now upgraded ClickChat to be a user-friendly interface for you to be able to handle not just your instant messaging needs, whether that be via WhatsApp, text messages, and very soon Facebook Messenger, as well as emails, but now you can also make and receive phone calls in real time to your prospects. Let's take a quick overview of what you're going to get once you get access to ClickChat. Here on the left, you have the ability to search for conversations. You have the conversations organized into the unread and all tabs. You can see here on the left that we give you between 1 and 3 line, a 3-line preview of what the conversation is about, so you can get quick context and know exactly which conversation to jump back into. Here on the right, let's go ahead and click into one of these. You can see here that this was just a phone number, so it's only going to have the basic information of the phone that was dialed. But if we jump into somebody that actually has a name here, you can see that this person's first and last name, their email address, and their phone number appears here on the right, as well as the unified inbox here if you have the all tab selected. You can add different communication channels to your liking. We want this to be as flexible as possible for people. We've named Ontraport to refer to the built-in SMS system. We have WhatsApp that runs through Twilio. We've named this one Ontramail, but this is really using the Simple Mail backend, so you can go ahead and send and receive emails here inside of the application. And in some of the other contacts that we'll take a look at later, you can see other additional channels like Twilio, which just means that we've integrated directly with Twilio to be able to send and receive text messages at a higher volume at a faster rate. You can see here on the right that we have 2 phone icons. If we click this one at the top, if we weren't clicked into this particular contact, it would show just a blank, and you can go ahead and enter whatever phone number you want. If we click on the icon that is next to an actual user or a profile's phone number, it'll pre-populate that phone number, and all you have to do is click the dial button and it'll go ahead and try and connect the call. We can add notes, but these aren't just notes that live here inside a ClickChat app. These are notes that are actually ported directly into Ontraport so that your team can read the notes either here in the application or in the Ontraport backend. We can add tasks to specific users. We can also add tags to specific people. So that way, if you have automations that are fired from tags, this gives an easy way for your support team, for your sales team, for whoever using ClickChat to be able to go ahead and fire off those automations without having to go and log into the actual Ontraport backend itself. And we'll just jump into, here we go. We have a couple tags here, just some text test tags that we used for this particular user. Here's an example of some emails. So you can see that these were unified. This was a text message that came through the Ontraport channel. These were the mail emails that were sent to this test user. And you can see that when we click on all, it has the unified inbox here. In order to send the message, you do need to choose which channel you want to send it through, but this unified inbox keeps everything nice and streamlined for you. So that's it. That's a quick overview of ClickChat version 2. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through the support channel inside of your main clickfix.io account. And if you'd like us to set this up for you and your team, please schedule a call so we can talk about exactly what it is you need ClickChat to do for you, and we can get that knocked out for you ASAP.